US to rejoin Iran nuclear agreement if Tehran return to compliance with nuclear deal. Palestinian PM urges serious measures against Israeli settlement. Iran passes law on hardening nuclear stance, halting UN inspection. Biden says will not kill phase 1 trade deal with China immediately. Afghan government and Taliban announces breakthrough deal to press on with peace talk. Russia reports record 28,145 new coronavirus cases and 554 deaths. US issued travel curb for Chinese Communist Party member. Right groups urge Bangladesh not to ship Rohingya to Iceland.